Today I'm going to show you how to paint this still life. Enjoyingart is a global artist community that I created 5 years ago, supported by our members. In our learning center, we have more than 1,200 full learning lessons, including the full process of the painting you're about to watch. And we just improved our learning center with one-click reference download feature. You can stop your membership at any time. I'm waiting for you to join us today. Now let's start today's painting. Let's start from a simple drawing with watercolor paint. Let me just take a little light color. I'm going to take a look at how I'm going to place these main objects. I'm going to move it a little bit higher, so I'm going to have a little bit more for the table. And the left side. And here you go. Like that. Catch the shadow. I'm going to first take a little yellow color over here. Keep a little highlight on the top over here. Just set a little base color. I'm going to have a little red color on this side. Here you go. And I'm going to have a little highlight. Keep it over here. Just use the calligraphy brush and make a little soft transition like that. I'm going to add a little bit darker tone on the side. Take the red, mix it with those. I already have the blue color over here. So I'm going to put this onto the shadow side. And of course have some dark color on the side, but we'll take care of that a little bit later. A little dark color over here. Quickly moving on to painting the background. Now I want to make some color really dark. Just take the blue color. This is Windsor blue green shade, or the present blue. I'm going to take this, make it really deep. I'm going to take the red color from one corner. Okay, that's good. Now I'm going to start from this corner. You got to have these two brushes because they work together really well. Okay, here you go. I'm gonna use the same color coming the table over here, and over here this is a very dark color. Let's use the flat brush, connect this color into here. Use the same color over here coming up. Just think about how those dark shape and with the light shape connecting together. I'm gonna get the red color right on the table over here. I really like this deep, rich color. And here you go. Connect that. And I'm gonna have some soft edges. That would be great. Okay, I'm gonna get the red color, just the red color. Put it right here. Okay, that's that. More red color. Connect it down over here. Okay. It's very important to get all the right color in the right place with the right value so that we can have a better judgment. A little bit more. The blue color, connect that over. Okay, that's good. Put in the top over here. Now I can touch the top. It's okay. A little bit more red. Let's take a look. Okay, stop over here. And I'm going to have some yellow. Take a little yellow. And on this side, take a little red. Now I'm going to have this color. A little bit yellow, orange color. It's very dark color on the shadow. Just take the blue and the red color. And here you go. I'm going to come here. I'm going to have that connect to the background. And we can do a little lifting if we need to. And it depends on how the value is going to come up in the shadow side. Like this. Okay. And coming in here. Here you go. Catch the shadow. Just use the corner of this brush. Here you go. I'm going to put this a little bit soft, catch the shadow coming over here, like that. Now I'm going to come back to fix the table color. Get a little bit yellow with the red and plus the blue, and a lot more blue because it looks like, and from the bottom over here even looks like a little bit green. I'm going to take a look, and this outside color over here, it actually looks darker than the red color up over here. So that's good. I'm gonna make a proper value contrast. Let's take a look on this side, like this. Good. On this side, have a little bit warmer, and have a little bit texture, like that. That's good. A little bit higher, like that. So this is good enough. Giving it a little bit darker. Let's just get the red and the Windsor blue green shade. Okay, that's good. I'm going to make this color a lot darker. We're going to have this a little bit lighter. Okay. I use the calligraphy brush. I'm just going to tap a little red color. Okay, put a little on the edge over here, like that. That's good. Now I'm going to use the dry brush, like that. That's good. And have a little bit red color over here. Okay, I'm gonna have a little yellow color. Mix a little red coming here, a little richer. Here you go, that's good. Grow a little bit. That's good. We get a little bit more details into it. Now on this side, I'm gonna have a little bit more purple color. Get the red with the red shade blue color. Here you go. And that's good. I'm gonna come in here, take a look at from here. Okay, like that. That's good. Inside over here, a little bit deeper, like that. And the top over here, I'm gonna make that a little bit more connected. Oh, that's pretty good. Over here, little detail, and like that. That's good. And the color looks very good. I'm gonna have a little bit darker color over here to show a little bit the edge, a little bit like that. A little bit edge over here too. Right. And a little bit shading over here. Okay, make all this beautiful. I'm gonna have this a little bit more red color here. Make a little richer, and also use the brush this way so I have a little bit more integrated, a little bit softer. And the bottom, the edge over here. Here you go, like that. Okay. That's all right. I think this painting now is finished.